It'll be done literally in like 10 minutes.
You put the first one in already? That's the second hole.
Bro, when you do spark plugs, it's recommended. Take out the boots. Take them all out at once, and then just put new ones. And then boom, 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 boom. It's easier that way. Because then you're going to forget which one. Trust me, bro, it's the header. You don't want to forget. Another one. Block.
They still have life.
Hey, what?
They still have life.
Nah.
What y'all think? I think they still have life.
That's just black, homie. How much you want to bet my dad hasn't even changed the spark plugs ever since he bought that car? We should go check up on him, huh?
That's different. He's not a car guy. He doesn't bother like doing things like this.
But you know damn well though, he don't change his spark plugs. These bitches are fucking black, bro. These spark plugs weren't even in there that tight either. They were pretty loose. They came off like nothing. Right now we'll tighten them. The new ones.
Technically, you're supposed to torque these too, but I don't have that.
Ooh, that's bad. That means one of your heads.
This car's has been through a lot. 250,000 miles. I knew something was wrong, but taking the spark plug out was a good indication of where to look for it. So, you know, you see that. Dang.
It's just the gasket for this, no? This shit? Because this is the whole head.
Correct.
This is where all the solenoids are at, so.
Yeah, I just don't have the funds right now. So I'm just not trying to use this truck at all. But I just know I'm going to have to get to that. Can't let that slide.
Oh, I forgot. You're recording because you're talking in past tense.
And also I got to do my starter too, bro. It should be muscle memory to you by now.
What?
That I talk to myself, but because I film videos.
Yeah.
That's the one thing I like about having the 4-banger, is that parts don't take too long. Shouldn't take too long to replace, because you know it's less.
See people change their shit in the rain all the time?
Yeah. There's people right now working on their cars on the street right now.
My back wet?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm getting wet. All the way till it gets tight and then just one little, that's it.
Okay. I think it's good that it's an older car because I think we'd see the difference if this car was a new car.
Yeah.
When it comes to torquing, you have to torque it to specifications. Otherwise, the car might not work correctly or operate correctly.
We're not gonna turn it on. I want to see how it works. It'll for sure run smoother. A chef from my job told me too that when you change your spark plug, you're supposed to put some type of lubricant on this thing because it
That's where it corrodes.
It corrodes down there, and then it's looking at what's it called it? Yeah, it's waterproof. So
yeah.
stop a little bit, right?
Yeah, but it's still coming down.
I didn't think you'd see him.
See everything. Oh, from where? Do you remember the cylinder you took out, the one that had oil on it? Was it the third?
Take my attachment. All right, start it up.
My twins with my phone, but there's a bit of a hesitation. I'm gonna try it again, okay? All right, here we go. Spark plugs are in, but when I turned the car on, it had like a little bit of a hesitation, so I want to show my brother exactly what that was. Well, the car starts up, so we good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all one more time. That was my dash cam. Starts up right away, bro. 4-banger. This is my 4-banger, you feel me? Yeah, feels good.
Just get some new, mine's already new, but plug things.
Ignition wiring set.
Ignition wires, yeah.
I don't know why they name them ignition coils, and then there's another ignition coil
Ignition wires. That's why I just
completely
say,
different.
I just say spark plug, the spark plug boots. I just be saying that, and then they be like, oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. She feels smooth. Molly feels smooth.
Think about it. Those black ass fucking spark plugs, all that corrosion, that's just bad for the car. It's not letting it run smoothly how it's supposed to.
It wasn't that bad, alright? This guy. Alright, I'll post up right here.
Yeah, but when I changed my spark plugs, those shit were black, bro. Like the bottom of my shoe black, for real. Like that. And I felt bad because I was like, damn, that shit looks burnt. Like, that's how I was driving this whole time. So now for every 6 months, I'm gonna start changing. I'm gonna start telling you to, hey, what's up? Let me change your shit. Let me see how it is.
Let me see how it is.
Yeah, cause fuck that. I ain't driving no bull fast.
Good shit, bro. Thank you. So there you have it. 96 to 0 Toyota Rav4, or most 4-bangers. What we did today applies to most 4-bangers. So there y'all have it. Y'all enjoyed the video, give it a like, and catch you on the next video. Lates.